Hi, curly friends. Welcome back to Curls with Erica. Today, I am so excited to share with you 3 different hairstyles to do after your wash and go is complete. These hairstyles are very easy to do, very quick, and multifunctional. So you can wear these during work, on the night on the town, or just casual. If you're interested in more videos like this, make sure you hit subscribe. For the first hairstyle, I'm going to do a top bun with the hair down in the back. I'm creating a part from ear to ear just to make sure it's as straight as possible. I will be using a hair tie to place the top portion into a ponytail. I will 2-strand twist the additional hair that's left out on the bun and wrap it around. I usually wrap my hair around my bun just to make it look nice and clean, and if I have a hair tie that is not the color of my hair. I will use some bobby pins to secure it and then go through with some additional water. Now I will be using the Style Factor to go in and lay down these edges. And voila, first hairstyle all done. All right, hairstyle number 2. So this is very simple. You're just going to place the additional hair into a ponytail holder. Then start to 2-strand twist the back all the way into the bottom, and then you will wrap it around into a bun. I used a mini rubber band to hold the hair. Now all of my rubber bands are also placed in olive oil prior to me placing them on my hair, so it doesn't pull any of my hair out. And all done. See, so simple to do, so easy, but very, very, very cute. All right, hairstyle number 3. So this is, I would say, by far my go-to hairstyle. I always seem to go to this hairstyle after wash and go, after braid out, after any hairstyle. We are ready to use one of my favorite gels, the Eco Styler Olive Oil Gel. This gel helps to lay down my hair and make it look very, very smooth. Alright, time to get that brush going and smooth in that product. Now for this hairstyle, I just decided to do a side part, a deep side part. I like those better than like a middle part, but you can do what works for you. So after I tie my hair in a bun, I also wrap my hair around the bun so it can be fresh and neat. Then I add additional gel to the front of my hair and on my edges. Also, I'll go back through with the Style Factor to smooth and lay down my edges. And all done. This by far is my favorite hairstyle. It's very simple, sleek, and so easy to do. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you click subscribe and also be my friend on Instagram. Bye!